Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily English. My name is Anna.
And my name is Ben.
Today, we talk about something very important. Your English is better than you think.
Yes, many people think my English is bad, but it's not true.
That's right. You know more English than you think you do.
So let's talk slowly, clearly, and help you feel good about your English.
Okay, let's start. Ben, do you remember when you started learning English?
Oh yes, I do. I was so shy. I thought my English was terrible.
Really? But your English was good.
No, I didn't think so. When people spoke fast, I felt lost.
That happens to everyone.
Yes, and maybe our listeners feel the same.
Maybe you, listening now, think your English is not good. But trust me, it's better than you think.
Okay, let's do a small practice.
Good idea. Let's say some positive sentences.
You can repeat after us. Ready? I can speak English.
I can speak English.
I can understand English.
I can understand English.
My English is getting better.
My English is getting better.
Great job. See? You are already speaking English.
Yes, you're doing amazing.
So, Anna, why do people think their English is bad?
Maybe they compare themselves to others.
Oh, yes, like watching YouTube and hearing native speakers talk fast.
Exactly. And they think, I can't speak like that.
But you don't have to speak like a native speaker.
You just need to communicate. That's the goal. Communication.
Yes, if you can say what you want, that's success.
Right. English is not about perfection. It's about connection.
Let's talk about small wins.
Ooh, I like that. What do you mean by small wins?
Small wins are little things you can do every day.
Like listening to this podcast.
Exactly. Or saying hello to someone in English.
Or reading one English sentence a day.
Or learning one new word.
Every small win makes you better.
Let's repeat that. Every small win makes me better.
Every small win makes me better.
Nice job.
Anna, Ben, I have a friend. Her name is Mai.
Oh, tell me about her.
Mai started learning English 1 year ago. She thought she was bad.
What happened?
She listened to podcasts every day. She practiced speaking alone.
Wow, good habit.
Now she can talk with tourists. She's so happy.
That's amazing.
And she told me, my English is not perfect, but I can talk. I can connect.
That's the goal.
Exactly.
Time for another little practice.
Yay! Let's do it together.
I can learn English.
I can learn English.
I am learning every day.
I am learning every day.
I don't need to be perfect.
I don't need to be perfect.
I am doing great.
I am doing great.
Awesome.
Yes, you're doing so well.
And how can our listeners practice English every day?
Good question. I think listening is easy and fun.
Yes, podcasts, songs, short videos all help.
And speaking, even just to yourself.
I do that too. I talk to myself in English sometimes.
Me too. Like, good morning, Anna. Let's have coffee.
Ha, that's cute.
Talking to yourself helps you think in English.
And don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes mean you're learning.
That's right. Let's repeat that.
Mistakes mean I'm learning.
Mistakes mean I'm learning.
Perfect.
So, if you think your English is bad, stop.
Yes, stop thinking that way.
You are learning, you are growing, and your English is better than you think.
Every time you listen, read, or speak, you improve.
English is not about speed. It's about progress.
Yes, you're moving forward.
So please, be kind to yourself.
You're doing great.
Let's say it together. My English is better than I think.
My English is better than I think.
One more time. My English is better than I think.
My English is better than I think.
Beautiful.
Let's review today's lesson.
Anna, we talked about how your English is better than you think.
You don't need to be perfect.
You just need to communicate.
Every small win helps you grow.
Mistakes mean you're learning.
And remember to practice every day, even a little,
Yes, listen, repeat, and smile.
because your English is better than you think.
Thank you for listening to Daily English.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye!